This 5-minute solution will show you how to connect Discord to Xbox account from mobile. Connecting your Xbox account with Discord is really very easy process. Just follow me to do it. Go ahead and launch your Discord and tap on your profile, and here tap on connections, and here tap on add, and here you'll find Xbox. Tap on it, tap on get started, tap on continue, and now you have to log into your Xbox account. So enter your Xbox account login credential. Tap on accept, and tap on authorize and continue. Continue, and as you can see, I've successfully connected my Discord to Xbox account. So this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.